The Athlete's Secret Weapon. Get it wherever books are sold. And thank you to Brian for that wonderful cameo in this Power Yoga on the Go video. Great for men, women, everyone, all body weight, no equipment needed. This is designed to add to your current workout routine. Do it once or keep repeating it. Modify as needed. Starting in downward facing dog, breathing in the nose and out the nose. Inhale forward, plank position, press forward through the toes, lower down, hover, elbows into the sides. Tops of the feet to the mat. Inhale, cobra, draw the shoulders back, or upward facing dog. I like to add a lot of extra movement to some of these poses. Keep the body loose. Exhale, down dog. Shaking out the legs, fingers spread wide. Left leg up, left foot forward, lunge. Line up the left knee and ankle, reach the arms up. Stretch that back leg as much as you can. Hinge forward, step or jump back, and we have our Vinyasa power flow. Inhale, up dog. Shoulders back, squeeze the glutes and the thighs, and then exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up, right foot forward, lunge. Shoulders back, lift. Building strength and power and endurance and focus with this flow. Hinge forward, again, step or jump back, Vinyasa flow. There's hover, up dog. Downward facing dog. Okay, right foot forward, lunge. So reach it up. We're going to be moving into warrior 3. Inhale forward, put the weight into your left foot. Take the arms forward. A little softness in that left knee. Huge balance and core strengthening pose. Step back, lunge. A little shimmy. Excellent. Vinyasa power flow, step or jump back. Hover. Up dog. Down dog. We're moving. Inhale, right leg up, right foot forward, lunge. Get the foundation, strong foundation first. And then warrior 3. Good. Don't be alarmed if it's a little shaky. Obviously, the floor was moving. That's why I'm moving around a little bit. Breathe deep. Excellent, my friend. Step back, lunge. Feel that power and strength in the movement. Step or jump. Vinyasa power flow. Like you're moving underwater. Let's add some hip dips here. A little smile to the camera. Dipping those hips, keeping the lower back loose. Down dog. Moving into a warrior series. All right. Left leg up, left foot forward. Pivot the right foot. We have warrior 1, reaching the arms up. Turn out to the side, warrior 2. And then reach back into reverse warrior. Vinyasa power flow. Here we go. Strength and purpose with every movement. It's going to enhance every other activity and sport you do. Right foot forward, warrior 1. Always improving performance. Warrior 2. There's that reverse. Huge stretch, really opening up your entire body. Vinyasa power flow. Inhale up, dog or cobra, down dog. We keep flowing, keep moving, keep sequencing. It's amazing what you can do in such a short amount of time. Inhale forward, plank, press forward, lower all the way down. We have hover. You can hold it a little bit longer, elbows into the sides, and then the Superman. Inhale, reaching up. The arms, hey, watch out for that. Arms are a little more than shoulder width, same with the legs, a little more than hip width, really working the back side of the body. All right, hands are on the shoulders, up dog. Down dog. Downward facing dog. Walk or jump the feet to chair pose. Bend the knees, reach the arms up. All the weight into the glutes and the heels. Breathe. In the nose, out the nose. Diving down, forward fold. You can wrap the arms around the backs of the legs when you're ready, my friends. And then step or jump back, plank. Down, hover. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Walk or jump forward, chair. Beautiful, my friend. Practice these flows, and watch all your other training benefit more than we can possibly imagine. Forward fold. Okay, step or jump back, plank, forward hover, inhale, up dog, down dog. Moving into another warrior series, left foot forward. We have proud warrior. Take your fingers to the floor or your forearm to the leg. Let me scooch back so you can see me. The warrior wrap. The left arm goes underneath. Or if you want to go even further, we have Bird of Paradise. Good. Lengthen that leg as much as you can. Hopping is acceptable. There we are. Good. Breathe. It's always a challenge, always a focus and balance challenge. Come back down, my friend. Warrior wrap, step or jump back, down dog, and then right foot forward. We have proud warrior or the forearm on the leg. Now, these are optional. Work your way up to these. The wrap, you get to see the backside of the pose. This is a massive opening. And then we have bird of paradise, bird of prey, kabla. There we are. Extend the leg, focus, breathe, shoulders back and down. Look at the wonderment on my face. So much in such a short amount of time. Make sure you check in below. Step back. There's the... And we step back to down dog. Vinyasa, power flow. Inhale forward, smooth it out. Inhale up dog. What you do on the mat, you will do everywhere else in your life. Keep it smooth. Down dog. Walk the legs 10 times in the down dog. Add a twist so we really loosen up the lower back. Now remember, do this. Plop down, do this whole routine while you're doing weight training. Whatever you do at the gym or anywhere else, walk the feet forward. We have forward fold. And then rising up slowly. Stack the spine as you come up. Power Yoga on the go. Watch for the other ones in this series. Subscribe, share, check in, like. I appreciate it, my friends. And we'll see you next time. And connect with me on Facebook and Instagram. And for the perfect training manual to go along with this workout, it's here. On my best-selling book, Power Yoga for Athletes, over 100 yoga poses for all ages and fitness levels, as well as 25 complete yoga flows and training logs for all the major sports. Get your copy today, or perhaps you do better with 4 copies.